Alrighty, hey guys, we're back. I'm gonna take you on another quick run. I wonder if I can do this. There's a lot of traffic, not a lot, but quite a significant amount coming through here. Alright, I think I'm alright. I'm alright. Yeah, they put that thing there so no one can drive over there. Oh, I saw some guy drive over that and he got stuck in the, what do you call it? In the, off that thing. So maybe that's why they have that there. Alrighty, let's go cruising. Some of you have been, many of you who have, of you have been this route before. But it's a nice little Saturday cruise. So, we could go this way again. Oh man, a little chilly. After this, guys, we gotta go home. I left the house at 9:30, or maybe a little later than that. Maybe 10 o'clock. More like 10:15. But I'm glad I did get out today. I really am. I am glad I got out today. Saw some nice people, some cool people. Back of a truck doing a little fishing, hanging out, and why not, right? Why not? I don't know if he's allowed to do that, but it's none of my business. So I'm going to keep my mouth shut. I know they have security here, so we'll leave that to him. Ba-da-ba, ba-da-ba-ba, da-da-da-da, da-da-da, ba-da. Whoa! Oh! They redid all this asphalt. Yes, they did. All right.
Yeah, I don't know. Listen. I'll be right back.
I don't know if he's trying to get it in, trying to get it out. I know one thing. Whew. Whew. Oh, what is this guy doing? All right, buddy. I don't know what you're doing, but I hope you know what I'm doing. No signal. All right. Wowzers. Oh. Maybe that's a guy ready to tow the boat out of the water. Yeah. I think it'll take more than that of me for the boat out of the water. But what do I know? Nothing. Not as far as that's concerned. All right, guys. All right, what the world? Maybe it wasn't the man. What? It's a guy. Let's go this way. Right turn, Clyde. Right turn. Do 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 do. Ah, this is so relaxing. You know, just cruising back here. So relaxing. Oh. 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 Sheila 73 or 75. I forget. I won't go there unannounced though. Wow, look at these nice trees. I think they're cherry blossoms. I think. In a few weeks those petals will fall and oh, let me tell you, the allergies will go ballistic. The allergies will go ballistic. Ah, yes. Yes, I have been this way before. You may pass this way again. You will pass this way again. Do, 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 do. Is that? No, that's the one. Let's see. Dead end. 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 All right. Ba-da-ba. Ba-da-ba. Scoot-doo-doo-doo. Scoot-doo-doo-doo. Ba-la-la-la-la. Do, do, do. Oh, you have a little pool? Yep, they do. Do, 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 do. Oh, I'm awakening. Beautiful. Wait till the Memorial Day weekend, man. Oh, busy, busy, busy. This place will be hopping. Hopping. We'll go up a bit and then we'll sound off all goods. For good. Whoa, what the heck?
That's one you don't want, but I tell you.
Just down there's all boats. There's nothing fantastic or mind-blowing or epic to see down that way. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna sign off for now, and I hope you have enjoyed this very epic bike ride video. Zodiac, I've never seen that building before. I mean, I've seen it there, but that's where they make those, I guess, what do they call it? You know what? Let's go for a little longer. Let's go down by the canal. Zodiac, kind of those powerboat, the boat, Zodiacs. What, all right. I think the Marine Police and, Marine Police use those boats. They kind of look like blow-up boats. They're called Zodiacs. I think the Marine Police use those. I could be wrong. Don't let me know if you know. Ba 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 da ba 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 ba. Oh, boy, there's some spots on this road, eh? Do 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 ba ba da ba 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 da ba ba. The heck? Park closed. Yep. Wow. Yeah, that's a park. They're refurbished. They're renovating that. They're rebuilding it better than it was before. Better, stronger, and more up to date. Oh my goodness. Alright, guys. That's it for me. I'm going to sign off here. And I welcome you guys to like, subscribe, and thumbs up this video if you like it. And I welcome you to leave any comments. And let me know how you liked it. Alright guys, gotta stand up for a minute. Oh, gosh, my golly. Alright guys, take care.